Hello, this is Nick Lightbody. I'm going to show you how to add internal links to a page in deskspaceCMS. On the screen we've got a new page. It's a new home page for the deskspaceCMS site that we're drafting at the moment. We decided we need a simpler home page, which is a common thing to find, and we've got the main text drafted, and you can see we've got quite a lot of more links. So we've got links to go to various other resources, and in fact they're all going to be pages on the site. On the left of the screen you can see how each of these links is constructed in the actual markdown text. We start with two square brackets. We then got the label, close a single square bracket there. Then we've got a double parenthesis, open and close, and finally closing pair of square brackets. So in deskspaceCMS, every link that you want to put in, whether it's to put in an image, for example, the image you can see here. Alright, double square bracket open, double square bracket close. So deskspaceCMS links are always enclosed in double square brackets, and within that there are different bits of text, different constructions that go at the beginning to tell the system what it is, but the actual link you want to use, i.e. the address internally or externally of the remote resource, is always going to go into these parentheses. And if you've been looking at the other videos, you'll have noticed that, for example, when we put in a YouTube video, we only put the unique YouTube link in here. So all of these deskspaceCMS internal links are designed to reduce the amount that you have to put into them, to make it as simple as possible, basically. So in this case, we need to go through and find the right pages to put into these links, because that's, as they're internal links, that's all we're going to put in there. And going from the beginning, we've got one that says search engines love fast mobile friendly sites. Now we can go and look for the page name here, because here we've got a list of all the pages. If we can't remember how to begin the name of that page, then we may have to go and look for it. So we can use this button here to create a second viewer of our system. So we click here. You see it says W2 now, window 2. So that means we can keep our existing page we want to edit here in the first viewer. In the second viewer, in window number 2, we can go and look for whatever it is we have to look for. So we're first looking for stuff about search engines loving fast mobile friendly websites. So let's look for search engine on our site. Okay, these are the ones that we have. So what have we got here? Designing site structure, social media strategy. Well, we may have to make a new page to do this, but let's just show you the principle. Supposing that in fact this is the page we want to use here, we just need to get this page's URL. We can find it in several places. It's either here under other content, here is the page name, or we can go here and get it from here. Okay, so if I just copy that from there, put this link in there, and then add HTML. If in fact you wanted this link to go to a specific place on a page, then you can follow HTML with the code for a hashtag and the section number of the particular place in the page you want to go to. It's an HTML anchor in effect. A little bit more complex to do because it means you need to look into the web page sandbox and go and take a look at the actual section ID you want to go to. But if you, for example, wanted to go to section ID, this bit here, what is the cost on this page? In the link I was looking at just now, you put in S21. Okay, that's why you are given the option of how you terminate the link you put in, i.e. why it doesn't automatically put HTML in there for you, because it gives you the option to put in additional information to go to a specific place on a page, which you may need to do if you have particularly long pages. Okay, so that is now done. Let's see how it works. Let's first of all export this version of the page there. Now let's take a look at this first link here, and that goes to the page that we wanted to show. And now I'm going to sit down and go through and put all the other links in and get this page finished so we can swap it for our existing rather more complex home page. Thank you very much for watching.